Mrs. Everett. Today I'm going to guide you through the steps necessary to solve addition problems with decimals. As you will see, it is quite similar to adding whole numbers, which you have learned earlier this school year. The first problem I'm going to solve is 49 7/10 plus 23 14/100. Write your multi-digit numbers vertically, similar to how you would to solve an addition problem with whole numbers. When lining up these decimal numbers, make sure the decimals are perfectly aligned on top of one another. If they are off even by one digit, the answer will be wrong. Starting as far right as possible and making your way left, begin adding the digits together in each place value column. On this problem, we start in the hundredths place. 49 7/10 has no digit in the hundredths place, so we add a 0 there as a filler. Be sure that your digits in your answer are neat and in the correct columns, just like mine. To include the decimal in your answer, simply bring it straight down from the problem to the sum. Always check your work after completing a problem to make sure no errors were made. I aligned my decimals correctly, I added everything correctly, and I put my decimal in the correct location in the sum. Now let's take a look at some 5th grade students practicing a few more decimal addition problems. Kenny is solving 64 200ths plus 5 1800ths. First, he is writing the problem vertically on the board and aligning the decimals on top of one another. Now he's starting to add on the far right in the hundredths column. He's making his way left through the place value columns. Now he's bringing the decimal straight down from the problem to the sum. His answer is 69 2/10, but he's going to check his work for mistakes. Great job, Kenny! Sierra is solving 87 plus 24 5/10. She needs to line up the problem vertically, however, she doesn't see a decimal in 87. However, Sierra knows that a decimal always comes at the end of a whole number after the ones column. Sierra is writing 87 0/10 plus 24 5/10 to fill in the opening in the tenths column. Now she's starting to add on the far right and making her way left. Now she's bringing the decimal straight down from the problem to the sum. Her answer is 111 5/10, but she's going to check her work for mistakes. Great job, Sierra! Madden is solving 4 2200ths plus 391 thousandths. First, he's writing the problem vertically on the board and aligning the decimals on top of one another. Madden's putting a 0 in the thousandths place for 4 2200ths. Now he's starting to add on the far right in the thousandths column, and he's making his way left. Now he's bringing the decimal straight down into his answer. His answer is 4 611 thousandths, but he's going to check his work for mistakes. Great job, Madden! Pretty simple, right? As long as you remember to line up your decimals, you'll do great. Thanks for watching Adding Decimals, and stay tuned for Subtracting Decimals coming soon.